everybody. My name is Ana Andrade.
And I'm Jacob Bash.
Welcome to today's lesson, Math Bundles.
Woo woo!
All right, so this is going to be kind of a little overview of our today's schedule. This is how it would look like if it were to be an distance learning.
So our objective here is based off the standard number and operations, the domain number and operations in base 10. Second grade, students will be able to independently count and create bundles of ones, tens, hundreds using manipulatives. We also have a social justice standard. I know everyone has feelings, and I want to get along with people who are similar and different from me.
All right, so for the concrete, we have what is a math bundle? It is an ideal tool that helps to develop the understanding of the number system. This can be done by involving physical manipulatives such as objects to solve a math problem.
So we decided to use this video. It counts 1 to 100 using Spider-Man and total physical recall, movement, getting students up, and it will help activate students' background knowledge. We also have another video that's only 56 seconds that we use to demonstrate using straws to count in the ones, tens, and hundreds, creating bundles. You can use straws, marbles, pennies, anything to create ones, tens, and hundreds.
Next, we have the semi-concrete. The math concept skill is next modeled at the representational semi-concrete level, which involves drawing pictures that represent the concrete object previously used such as tallies, dots, circles, stamps, that imprint pictures for counting.
So the idea here is that we want students to come from using actual real objects and start creating their own ideas to be able to draw and use squares, dots, lines, anything like this. Here's an example of something we can do in online learning for students to be able to sort themselves. Here's another example of using this for 1 to 20 that we can create different blocks and different bundles for 1 to 20.
And this could be done with specifically 10 frames. Next, we have a virtual randomizer. This virtual randomizer supports students, and I'm sorry, you can see so many randomizers here. So we would ask the students to tell us when to stop, and then we would ask the students how many dots they would see and how many tens and how many ones.
The abstract concrete is a concrete noun, refers to a physical object in the real world, such as a dog, ball, ice cream cone. An abstract noun refers to an idea or concept that does not exist in the real world and cannot be touched, like freedom, sadness, or permission. For this, we want to use days in school. We come up with how many days we've been in school so far, and we allow the students to create how many blocks to represent the number of days in school. The abstract idea is the amount of days we've been here.
So right here we have an example of 100 days. So we would have 100 days. And with how many tens and how many ones. But since we only have 100 days, we would ask the students, okay, friends, how many ones do we need for a 10 and how many tens do we need to get to 100? We would also add one more and one less to the 100s, such as 10 more and 10 less. So we can construct the idea of adding and subtracting.
And that's about it, what we have. Please feel free to email us any questions, comments, or concerns you might have. It's been a pleasure teaching you about math bundles.
Thank you so much, guys.
Woohoo!